KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple grilled satay chicken. Alright, very easy to do and nice and budget. Let's get on with it anyway. Alright, first thing I've got is about 700 grams worth of chicken thighs, and I'm just going to make sure they're sort of even in size all the way through. I'm going to cut these into thirds around about sort of 20 millimeters or 2 centimeters wide. Okay, we're going to put that straight into a bowl, and we're just going to continue cutting the rest of our chicken all the way through. Put that straight into a bowl before we get ready to make a marinade. Now, this marinade is so simple. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons worth of Zhaojing wine or Chinese rice wine. You can buy that from your local supermarket now. And we're just going to put that in around about 2 tablespoons worth of a good quality soy sauce. Okay, that goes in. A nice few dashes of ground black pepper. That can go straight over the top as well. Give that a quick stir through. Nothing too serious, because we're going to add another little ingredient to this marinade. Alright, and that ingredient is going to be a nice 2 tablespoons worth of sesame oil. That can go straight over the top. Give that another final stir. Put that into the refrigerator for around about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, and that will just soak up all those beautiful juices. Alright, now let's make our satay sauce. This is so simple. My little wok on the hot plate there is off. I'm going to add in around about 4 tablespoons worth of peanut butter. You can use a smooth or a crunchy. I'll leave that up to you. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon's worth of Thai red curry paste. You can buy that from your local supermarket as well. One more ingredient, a little bit of fish sauce. I'm going to add in around about 2 tablespoons worth of that straight in. And our last ingredient is going to be 1 400 gram can of coconut milk. Here's a quick hit tip for you. Give that can a bit of a shake and try and incorporate that coconut cream into the coconut milk beforehand. Don't do it like I've just done. I made a bit of a mistake there. All I'm simply going to do now is give this a little bit of a stir. As it's heating up, I've got that on a low to medium type of heat, around about a 30% heat. Just give that a bit of a stir through, let it heat up, and it will naturally start to reduce. Right, every now and then give that a bit of a stir through as well. Okay, and the kitchen is already smelling amazing. Okay, so give that a stir from time to time. Make sure everything is getting to incorporate into each other. All those kiddies in the pool get to know each other really well, and as I said, that will thicken up naturally. Right, I've already got my barbecue on. I'm using the hot plate for this particular recipe, and all I'm simply going to do is put those slices of chicken thigh down straight on top of that nicely hot greased hot plate. Okay, and believe it or not, this is quite a quick process. We're going to let that sit until it goes opaque around about half the way up through that chicken meat, and simply just going to let that sit and go. And once we're halfway through, we can give that a flip. Look at that beautiful caramelized color on top. Oh, yum. And if you haven't cooked chicken thigh on the barbecue before, wow, it is so forgiving as a meat. Breast meat will dry out really quickly. The chicken thigh meat will sustain a fair bit of cooking. Once they're cooked through, we can start putting those off to the side. And I've also got my actual grill plates happening as well, and that's just in case I want to give that a little bit more of a char like that, give them a little bit of a flame up. Alright, and this recipe is quite simple and quite a budget recipe. Alright, so all we have to simply do is take that chicken off. If you want to give that a bit of a flame up, you can, and the oil from the marinade will actually ignite those flames up quite nicely. Alright, now time to serve up. We've got a little bit of brown rice we're going to put over onto the side, and yes, that is a microwave brown rice. Nothing wrong with it, quite inexpensive, worthwhile keeping in the pantry at all times in case of emergency. Right, we're simply just going to put down our pieces of chicken, just like Mrs. KP is doing right there. She is doing the serving tonight, and we're going to serve up our beautiful peanut satay sauce straight over the top. It's quite an intense flavour, really nice and nutty and a little bit spicy. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, just put that straight over the top, simply like that. And we're also going to add in a little bit of a salad. Right, so we've got all the food groups all in one dish, and how easy was that to do? I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. It is that simple, and it didn't cost a lot of money at all. Nice and budget. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Leave a comment. I love reading and responding to them. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. But if you want to learn how to make something seemingly exotic and tasty like this, we need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, I'm off to eat my grilled satay chicken, and I will catch you next time.